Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Christine, and if it's your first time here, welcome, and remember to subscribe to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Today's video I'll be undoing my butterfly locks. I've stayed with them for like 1 month and that's enough for me, guys. So I have an easy way you can take them down. So guys, keep watching. I just need a pair of scissors to cut the hair. Basically, I'll be just taking the outer hair and pull it down. Then I pull my natural hair and cut the hair which was crochet on my real hair like this. It's just an easy thing. And it's safe, but be careful, be extra careful not to cut your natural hair. The most important thing is to pull your natural hair to make sure it's safe, then you cut the rest. Is the easiest method to use to undo your butterfly locks. So if you have them on your head, when the time comes to take them down, just try this method. as you can see, I'm on the last lock. It has taken me around 8 minutes to undo the locks, and as you can see, my hair is very safe. So I'll start undoing the locks. I'm finally done, so I'll go and wash my hair, then I'll be back. While washing, I just use shampoo, I then use conditioner, then I just comb it, and that's it. Mostly I do a puff. I don't use blow